In this video, we're going to solve a power problem. So I've got a water heater which is going to convert 4 kilojoules of electrical energy into heat every second. The heater operates from a 240 volt main supply. So I've got 3 questions. What is the electric power rating of the heater? Calculate the current through the element. And how many hours should the heater operate to supply 90 megajoules of energy? Okay, so let's have a look at solution A. So in this question, we're going to work out what the electrical power rating of the heater is. Now I know that power is 1 joule per second. And from the question, we know that the heater converts the following amount, 4 kilojoules of energy every second. So that's 4,000 joules of energy per second. So basically the power rating for this is 4 kilowatts. Remember, a watt is a joule per second. Let's look at solution B. So in this one, we're going to calculate the current that's running through the element. So in this case, I need to use my power algorithm. Power equals voltage times current. I rearrange this to make I the subject and take V over to the other side, so power divided by V will equal current. Power is 4 kilowatts and the voltage from the question is 240 volts. So I substitute these into the equation. So I get 4,000 divided by 240, which gives me a current of 16.7 amps. Okay, finally let's have a look at solution C. So for solution C, I've got to calculate how many hours should the heater operate to supply 90 megajoules of energy. So first off, let's convert the energy. Now we know we've got 90 megajoules, as it states here. So I need to convert megajoules into joules. So 90 mega is 90 times 10 to the 6 joules of energy. I know that power is basically made up of 4,000 joules per second. So what I want to know is how many seconds will produce 90 megajoules of energy if I'm working at a rate of 40,000 joules per second. So basically I take, to calculate the time, I divide 90 times 10 to the 6 by 4,000, which will give me a time in seconds, and it comes out at 22,500 seconds. Now I know that there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. Remember, it wants it in the form of hours. So 22,500 seconds divided by 3,600 will give me 6.25 hours, which is the same as 6 hours and 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.